Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of two numbers 16 and 24. We will be using the prime factorization method for finding the LCM or least common multiple of the two numbers. This method is also called the ladder method as we divide the numbers by making a ladder. So there are two variations in this method. First one is you can find the factors of the two numbers separately and then can find the LCM, and the other one is you can use the same ladder for dividing the two numbers. We will be learning both the methods in this video. So let's start dividing our numbers. First we'll learn the method in which we find the factors of the two numbers separately. So I'm going to write prime numbers on the right hand side so that it is easy in our division. So the first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So let us first divide the two numbers separately and find the prime factors. As 16 is an even number, so it is fully divisible by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16. Again 8 is fully divisible by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. And 2 times 1 is 2. So the factors of 16 are these numbers on the left hand side of the ladder. Now let's find the factors of 24. So 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Again 12 can be easily divisible by 2. So 2 times 6 is 12. 6 can be divided by 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 is a prime number, so 3 times 1 is 3. So we got the factors of the two numbers as 16 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. These are the factors of the two numbers. So for finding the LCM of the two numbers, we have to find the common factors in between the two numbers and write the common factors only once. So here the common factors are 2. This 2 is also common and this 2 is also common in between the two numbers. So we are going to write the common factors first only once. So 2 times 2 times 2. And then we are going to multiply it by the factors which are not common. So now the leftover factors are 2 and 3. So 2 times 3. So the LCM will become 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16 and 16 times 3 is 48. So the LCM is now 48. Let us now find the LCM of the two numbers using single ladder method. In the single ladder method, we divide the two numbers together in a single ladder. So here, as both the numbers are even, we can divide both the numbers by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16 and 2 times 1 and 2 times 2. 2 times 12 is 24. Next, both the numbers are even. So we can use 2 as the divisor. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 6 is 12. Again we can use 2. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. Now we'll use 2 to divide 2 first. So 2 times 1 is 2. As 3 is not divisible by 2, so we are going to write it as is. Now we'll use 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. Here our division is done. LCM will be the multiple of all the numbers we got on the left hand side of the ladder. So let's multiply all the numbers. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. These are all the numbers. So the LCM is now 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. You can use this method for finding the LCM of any numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.